Okay, now as long as you don't have anything jagged or anything sitting on the floor that might damage the pads or the shafts, you can set it down on the concrete. Just do it gently. The next thing to be doing here is we need to take off the bolts from the back as well as the bolt up in the front. Then we can remove the entire shroud, and that'll give us access to the bolts that hold the motor on. So there's 4 bolts on the back and the one on the front. And then the one up at the front. And from here, the shroud can slide forward a bit, then it comes straight up and off the motor. You can see this gives us clear access to the 4 bolts that hold the motor and the VFD down to the drivetrain. And again, you can take those off with an impact wrench. Now the next step is very important. Always remember to do it before you proceed with taking the motor off. The control wire that comes from the handle needs to be disconnected. Now when you go and pull the motor off or take the handle off, you're not going to have any tearing, pulling, or anything go wrong with that wire. And the handle comes off very easily by just taking the 2 bolts that the handle pivots on from the side of the machine. Now that we've removed the bolts holding the motor on, it's just a matter of lifting it up and taking it off.